Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC offers a wide variety of help features that can be accessed through its desktop interface. You can access these features through the Help drop-down menu in the menu bar. Most of the help features listed in the Help drop-down menu connect to online resources from Adobe. Generally, when you select an item from the Help drop-down menu, your computer's default web browser will launch and display the related content. The commands in the Help drop-down menu also change depending on which module is currently selected. Let's review the links provided by the Help drop-down menu. If you select the What's New command from the Help drop-down menu, you will be redirected to the New Features Summary page for Lightroom Classic CC. This web page provides information about newly introduced features in Lightroom Classic CC, as well as recent bug fixes. If you select the Lightroom Classic CC Help option, you will be redirected to the Lightroom Classic CC Learn and Support page. This web page provides links to commonly used help resources, such as the Lightroom Classic CC User Guide. This web page also provides a search tool so you can quickly find answers to specific questions. If you select the Lightroom Classic CC Tutorial option from the Help drop-down menu, you will be redirected to the Lightroom Classic CC Tutorials page. This web page allows you to choose between beginner and experienced tutorials and provides short video tutorials to help you accomplish specific tasks in Lightroom Classic CC. The next few commands in the Help drop-down menu will change depending on the currently selected module. These commands are always module-specific help commands. The Help drop-down menu in Lightroom Classic CC's menu bar also provides links that help you with plugin extras, managing your account, signing out of your account, and installing updates. Additionally, the Help drop-down menu contains options for viewing system information within your computer and proprietary information about the Lightroom Classic CC software.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.